Hi guys, so my husband bought this Samsung JetBot AI vacuum. It's a robot vacuum. It's made from Samsung and let's see how this works because it has a camera in here where with an object recognition. So let's try it. So first you have to install the apps, and it's this kind of apps. It's a robot vacuum thing, and you just hit start.
Starting to clean.
There you go. You can also schedule it every morning, any time of the day, and it will just clean by itself.
Turning to the station.
Okay, now it's going to